check. It is 12:53 a.m. So I'm gonna speak slow tonight because um I just woke up. You know the feeling when um because you know that I am filming for the past since January 1, right? So it's like my body is awake during this hour because I think it get used to it, right? So yeah. So I woke up uh like 12:30, and then I told you yesterday that I was uh so busy today. But um the thing is, yeah, it yesterday is a success for me, well, in my personal life. Okay, so you know, I'm still going to think about our topic in a bit, but a story time for now. So I I had a dream about, yeah, someone close to me. I'm not sure. So this person is not here in my country. He's like, yeah, he's from a different country now. So I don't know why I dreamt of him. You know the feeling when it felt so real, something like that. And and I don't know, I actually thought that it is real. Yeah. So like it makes you feel like you wanted to cry, something like that. Yeah. So because the dream felt so real, and the scenes from my dream, um and the scenes from my dream, sorry, yeah, it it felt so real because I'm not sure why, but because that dream consists of uh a good and bad scenes at the same time, like a so good scenes and a bad scenes that it kind of absorbs my body. That's why it makes me kind of teary, something like that. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, I'm not supposed to like say these things, but okay. So it's so, well, everyone have a dream, and they always say that it's weird. So I'm not going to say that it's weird, but it's crazy, right? When you have, yeah, as I was saying, it is crazy when you are when you felt that way, when you woke up suddenly and your dreams really felt so strong that it kind of have impact on your emotions and your entire system. So mm, cringy. So okay, guys, let's drop that topic. So um I was I am really great. I am really really grateful because yesterday is really, you know, it makes me feel good because I had a really great day. So I hope you are having also a really great time wherever you are in the world. So yeah, I just have to address that thing, yeah, the dream, because As I've told you before, that filming is kind of therapeutic to me because nowadays I barely talk to like an actual human thing. So mostly I'm just yeah, we're all like this. Mostly I'm just at home and I'm not used to this setting, even if it's already been a year since uh, the pandemic. Okay, so I guess our topic for today is about how to choose a friend, like a friend that is really for you. So, how can you figure out that it is really a good friend for you? So, a good friend is that they are the persons that you can reach out whenever you are in your highest, highest of your life, highs and lows. Okay, so basically, you can talk to them about your problems and your success as well. So before, I thought that I have many friends, but for me, like since last year, I think I've lost 99% of them because it doesn't felt right to be with those people anymore. It's not that I am mad at them, but yeah, I hope they won't see this video. I'm not mad at them. It's just that I feel like um they are the that you are saying that you have actual friends but you don't have because I can't even tell them my personal problems and something like that. So and when you're too good to be a friend, that they took advantage of that, and your energy, your presence. So it's just that's just on me. So it doesn't mean it's on you as well. So this is why we're talking about it. Okay, so okay, wait. So the second thing is that um, you have to have a friends that are low maintenance. You know that friends that even though you don't spend or talk time to each other, but when you see each other, nothing changes. The excitement, the feeling is there, right? So the one that is excited for your success, and the people, the friend that can be there on your trouble as well. We remember that we are playing the game of life, so we can't survive alone. So a good friend is um a way to be to to have a fulfilling life as well, because they can be able to be with you during this time, because as you know, life isn't fair, right? So uh yeah, that's it. So the third thing is, I think this is just on me, okay? So I think it's good that um you have a friend, if he or she is not intelligent or smart. I think it's good that he or she have a great sense. You know how we love to spend our time with people that are really fun, to be with. Yeah, I am like that person. I am. Anyways, okay, so you know this, okay? So it makes your day, even your gloomy days or bad days. So, nandyan sila for you. Okay, guys, so yeah, basically that is our topic for tonight, and thank you for watching. And it's crazy dreaming, right? As of today, we don't have really an actual scientific basis why we dream of those people. It's, yeah, I've seen some, but it is not really well comprehended. So it's a human mystery, right? Think about that. So again, guys, thank you for just watching, or you can whatever like or dislike this if you want to. So that's fine. And as I am always saying, let's make this world a better place. Let's, you know, spread the right kind of love, and let's uplift each other. Okay? So, so that the bad ones would magkonti sila. So, yeah. That's it for tonight, and good night.